All right, March 17th, 2018. I have a question from my Facebook friends, as well as an announcement. My dentist, ophthalmologist, optometrist, and optician can all rest easy now. Have a good night's sleep. The eye is done on the sea monster on the right. We got a full set of teeth on the lower, larger mouth of the sea monster. There's going to be a smaller set of teeth kind of extending out over the, I don't know, what do you call it, nose on a sea monster. So that's question number one. Question number two is, does anyone know, like, what the color is of the tongues of a sea monster? I have a bunch of very bright red broken pieces of a plate, and I was thinking I would use those there, but then I decided to can that idea because I think it will be, I don't want it to look like blood. Of course, sea monsters can be bloodthirsty, as we saw, like in, well, Jaws for adults and for the younger set, including my age. I just rewatched it recently and enjoyed every second of it. Finding Nemo, you know, there's these like sharks who are like in a go to a 12-step program. Anyway, anyone has knowledge of what the tongue color is of sea monsters, please advise. Thank you.